In this video, we'll be completing the first task, creating a custom object for reviews in the project building a data model for recruiting app. So the first thing is to install a package. So let's split our screen with Trailhead Playground. And once you've done that, let's jump into the app drawer and search for Playground Starter. And once the screen has loaded, let's jump into install a package. Let's copy the package ID, paste and install. And make sure you install for admins only. Let's give that a quick minute. Alright, we are done with the first part of the challenge. That's great. Let's look into the second part where we'll be creating a custom object. So to create a custom object, let's jump into the object manager. And click on create new custom object. Let's copy and paste review. Let's do the same for plural label as well. Copy paste the record number. And our data type over here is auto number. Let's copy the display format as well. With the starting number as 1. Let's check the boxes for allow reports, track field history, and let's make sure it's deployed in the deployment status. And let's enable allow search. And finally, let's enable add notes. Once we have done all these steps, let's go ahead and save the object. Alright, pretty much that is it. We've checked all the boxes. So let's check if we've done our challenge right. This is a fairly easy challenge, so you should be able to complete it in the very first try. However, if you do have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments below. Alright, see you in the next video. Bye bye.